This week, I really want to talk about something like recent. Blockbuster.
What a difference! Blockbuster Video! We're the Blockbuster kids and we're always up for fun. To action and adventure, we're always on the run. So come along and join us.
Yes. Blockbuster training videos. I mean, I'm just trying to get the most views as possible. And Blockbuster training videos, what's hotter? So I came upon this when I was looking at stuff for another video in the future, and it was just so wild to me. Like, it's a really weird thing that I feel like I'm too young to understand. So I'm bringing it on here so people can either share my feeling or tell me how stupid I am for feeling this way. So without further ado, let's jump into some Blockbuster training videos. First of all, just gotta stop right there. I know, we're 4 seconds into the video. That fucking intro, so sick. That is unbelievably hard. That goes so tough.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, thank you.
Oh, hi, Mrs.
Hi.
Harris. I didn't see you come in. I haven't seen you in a week or so. Have you been out of town or something?
Oh, no. Our VCR was just in for repairs again. It was awful. Can you imagine trying to make conversation with Mr. Harris?
Oh, Mr. Harris. You know him. He hasn't had anything positive to say since the war.
Well, anyway, it's back now.
Good. You know, we have a lot of different movies you might not have seen before. Can I help you find anything in particular?
Oh, thanks. I'll just look around. I'm sure I'll find something.
Okay.
I love the awkward silence. It's...
Yo, Marie! Hey, let's wake up!
What's good, Mr. Sales? Mr. Buster? I mean,
Oh, who are you?
yeah, who are you?
The name's Buster. Buster Sales.
Our trailer tape must have jammed.
I am no tape. See?
On the money. Hey! And on video cassette.
I'm not a tape. I'm on a TV. See? What the fuck is that supposed to prove?
Well, what are you doing here?
I am a professional opportunist.
Professional opportunist, Buster?
That doesn't sound very nice.
No, not that kind of opportunist. You see, I'm one of the world's greatest authorities on opportunities. I find people who need help, and I help them. And clearly, you need some help.
Clearly, you need help. I mean, look at you.
Especially with finding opportunities.
I know an opportunity when I see it.
Sure. Like the time Mrs. Harris's son, Brian, asked you out. And you turned him down to go to Jane Allworth's stupid slumber party.
How does Buster know so much about this girl's personal life?
Shh, not so loud. God, his mother is right over there.
The woman I'm pointing at. She's right there.
And anyway, how was I supposed to know he was that hunk friend of Tyler's with the beautiful eyes?
And the tickets to the Bon Jovi concert.
I don't want to discuss that.
Don't worry, she can't hear us.
Don't worry about it. She can't hear us. This is just your schizophrenia getting worse.
And it's a good thing. Last week you had an opportunity to rent Mrs. Harris a Blockbuster VCP.
Oh, while hers was being fixed? Yeah, but she doesn't need one now. She needed one last week.
So, you had an opportunity to tell her about your rental units 2 weeks ago.
So, go back in time. Oh,
Will you help me here? What do you think I should pick out?
No, I don't think this one.
No?
Yeah, I think I'd go with those two, plus this one.
this music video in front of what looks to be like Doctor Who or something. That's where I keep my music videos.
Like a chance to meet Brian?
No. Look at it this way. You have Sean Connery. You add Mrs. Harris's interest. And what do? You get more rentals and a happy customer.
I told her we had other Connery movies.
But can you name one? Get the picture? Look at this list of 50 best videos and commit them to memory. Get to know popular actors and all their movies.
Excuse me? Get to know all the popular actors and their movies? Popular actors are ever changing. Like, you want this girl to memorize every Jason Statham, fucking Dwayne The Rock Johnson, Kevin Hart, Kevin James, Kevin Bacon, and other Kevin Spacey, Kevin McHale. No, that's a basketball.
Oh, that's a great idea. I'll go tell Brian's mom. I mean, Miss Harris.
Don't be pushy. Just be helpful.
Don't be pushy. She's been in the store for like 20 minutes and you've gone up to her 3 times. No one wants to be interacted with that much, especially by their son's friend.
Okay, have this back Saturday night before midnight.
Okay.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, hi, Kristen. How's it going?
Pretty bogus, actually. I'm babysitting again this weekend.
Pretty bogus. I agree, that is pretty bogus. Babysitting?
Babysitting's such a drag.
I know how you feel. So you ready to check out?
Sure.
What now?
You want to keep an eye on this. I see an opportunity coming.
Why the fuck did it zoom in so much? You want to keep your eye on this. I'm sensing an opportunity.
Hey, are you okay? You look a little freaked out.
Huh?
Huh? God. No one else can see Buster except her. So, yeah, this is the thing. Everyone else just thinks she's fucking schizophrenic. She literally turned around and said, "What now?" Imagine you're you're checking out at Target, and all of a sudden, the guy just goes, "What now?" Like, you're running.
Oh, yeah, I was just checking the monitor. That's all. Now, let's see. Oh, I see.
See what? What? Like, am I on hidden videos or something?
I'm not gonna blame the friend for bad acting because that's just mean. But like, she goes, "I see," looks at a very specific spot, and you're like, "Huh? See what?" Like, look where she looked. It's right there. Look. Actually, she doesn't even turn because she's facing the thing.
But if I only knew which show he wanted, I could buy it for him now.
Hey, why don't you rent a tape now and then see if he mentions one of his favorite episodes to you?
Oh, geez, that's a great idea.
No, it's not. What? That's the worst idea.
Now I don't have to give him a Vulcan mind nut or something. Hey, where are your Star Trek videos?
Oh, but I can show you where.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, I can take you to that. You know, I just appeared here for this one specific task, actually. Like, what if Brian was his name? What if, no. This guy's also named Brian? I get it, it's hard to come up with names. He's got a clipboard in his hand. He's obviously doing something. There's no one else here. You're just standing there and you're like, "Oh yeah, I need to just sit here talking to the televisions."
Well, you rented and sold Kristen all the tapes she wanted, and that was great. But what about Spike?
Oh, that. Oh, don't worry. She'll be back. She just wanted to figure out which tape you wanted.
She doesn't have to. We have a great solution for customers that aren't sure about the perfect gift.
Brian can show you. Okay, that's actually a good point, and I'm glad. I'm gonna agree with Buster on this one. But like, who holds things like this? Just, oh yeah, we have a great selection for that. Just gift card. You can throw other things at the TV. Throw the gift cards.
It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.